Bryan Kim, the Spokane teenager suspected of killing his parents, should not be held legally responsible for the pair of fatal attacks. That testimony from a psychiatrist today who said Richard and Terry Kim were murdered by their son while he was suffering a blind rage triggered by his bipolar disorder. Jeff Humphrey live at the courthouse where the defense is now calling witnesses in the murder on Mount Spokane. Jeff?
And today, Dave, an expert witness testified that Bryan Kim was so mentally ill at the time of these killings, he should have been getting injections to help control his emotions. Doctors say without his medicine, Bryan Kim was a ticking time bomb. Even before calling his first witness, today Bryan Kim's defense attorney asked the court to drop a pair of charges against his client.
There is not sufficient proof of premeditation, and I'd ask the court to dismiss the premeditated murder counts.
By asking the court to dismiss the premeditation part of Kim's murder charges, the defense could have spared Kim life in prison. However, prosecutors say there was ample evidence that Kim pre-planned the attacks.
He was lying in wait for his dad to come home. He brought a knife with him, which is case law says is indicative of premeditation. And he attacked him before he ever had a chance to respond.
Judge Terry Eitzen denied the motion to dismiss, and then the defense called its first witness, a forensic psychiatrist who says Bryan's been showing signs of his mental illness since he was 9, only to be misdiagnosed and given the wrong medication.
If somebody has bipolar disorder and you give them a stimulant and their mood is aggravated, kind of volatile, labile, impulsive, then it's like throwing kerosene on a fire. It's just going to make it worse.
Dr. Arambula says Kim's simmering rage finally erupted the day after his parents told him they were kicking them out of their Mount Spokane home. The psychiatrist testified that off his medication, Kim was too mentally ill to be held responsible for killing his parents.
And that kind of pressure in somebody who clearly couldn't live even in a house, much less by himself, not taking his medicine and his history, it was an accident waiting to happen, just like the sister said.
Now, doctors from Eastern State Hospital disagreed with Kim's psychiatrist, saying that Kim was capable of both planning and forming the intent to commit these murders. Closing arguments in this case expected here on Wednesday. Reporting live at the courthouse, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.